at that. Everyone's gonna just blast me.
Say hey. Oh my god.
That's not even the fucking worst part yet.
Dude.
Bro, you're in for it, bro.
This is the most pothole. Oh my. This isn't a road. Guys, we are in a C6 Drift Corvette race car, basically. Harness stop on this, not a road. How do people bring their race car out here? Look at this.
Hey bro, you just said it. It's a drift car, but wait till we get to the hills. That's where it gets fun.
Well, it gets worse?
Oh, it gets way worse.
Wow. It got worse.
Oh, dude, this is actually the best part, to be fair. It's like smooth sand right now. Like, this is chilling. Wait till we get to like the rocks.
Dude, this is bad.
It's bad, yeah.
This is bad.
This is probably why my alignment is so fucked up.
This is definitely why your alignment is so fucked up.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Morning.
Signing his life away.
Moments later.
You guys joined me at Apple Valley Speedway today because I am here with Julien, and he is out there killing tires right now. He's absolutely murdering them. Now, truthfully, I have never been out here before, and it's kind of crazy because we are in the middle of nowhere. There is nothing around us but desert, and I was like, this is where you get your kidneys stolen. This is where someone brings you out to murder you in the middle of the night. And then all of a sudden there's a racetrack. In fact, the pathway to getting here wasn't exactly a smooth one. We had to off-road the Vette. This Corvette is an awesome drift build, and I will show you around it in a minute because it isn't just a regular Corvette. Damn, he just hit the freaking tires, dude. There's like gravel pouring out of that.
How the fuck did that?
So what was in the car is no longer in the car.
Is that coolant? Yeah, it is.
Pop the hood, pop the hood.
Fuck.
Oh,
wait, I see it right here.
yeah, hold that down while I pull this up.
Yeah. Why won't that? What's blocking it? Aww?
The fuck?
Oh, there you go.
That's your coolant return. That's the main coolant pipe, and none of this is wet. No, that's fine, but none of that's wet. There's no dripping. I think you're okay.
Yeah, that shit's still full.
If it actually pops, it'll just start spewing out of the hood.
Also, do check your temperature gauge, just to be sure.
Yeah, no, my temps were fine. I looked at them as I was coming out.
So what could have been a disaster is actually okay. His car got hot, so decided to take a wee.
Where do you want me to stand? Like by the gate? All the way down.
Oh my god,
Behind the tower.
None of the panels fit. Oh, there it goes. Wow.
They got knocked around.
The panels.
No, the panels are fine. They just got knocked around because I was fucking driving like a dumbass.
Oh,
This one is still fine though.
those tires are done, bro.
Yeah.
They are finished. Donzo. New tires. We got a bunch in there.
look what got wrapped all around.
Oh my god, shredded tire.
I was like, dude, I hear something every time I'm pulling the brake.
That's what it is. Yeah, definitely pull all that out. Guys, look at that. Shredded.
It's all tied around that.
The drive shaft, you need that. What have we got here as a setup, Julien? What are we running?
So just in the rear, it's a stock rear end. We got obviously the wheel brake kit, the fucking extra caliper for the handbrake, so it locks up. In the front, that's where it gets interesting, to be honest. So we got the same brakes.
Same setup.
And if you get down and look under there, you can see the sway bar and then the full Wisefab kit, knuckles and everything. We got BC coilovers. The interior is also done. We're on a stock engine. That's the only thing that's stock. So I'm just keeping it stock power for now until I get better, and then we're gonna
up that too. But in here, guys, he's got the e-brake, manual, has to be. Sparco steering wheel, Sparco seats, 5-point harness.
Cage.
The goods. What do you think of Julien's drifting so far? Rate it in the comments, 1 to 10.
Everyone's gonna just blast me.
They're gonna roast him. I think it was dope though, low key. I can't do that shit. So we just got back from another couple of laps. Julien is absolutely sending it, killing it. And he's also killing tires, guys. Look at this shit.
Those are pretty cooked.
Those are cooked as, dude. Fuck, man.
That shit's hot as fuck.
Cooked as, too. What up, bro? Say hey. Tell him to smash the like button and subscribe. You guys heard him. This is so sick. They got the donut media graffiti wall art here. This is sick. Cars are sick. I agree with that. After, what, an hour and a half, we're now back?
Yeah, it was like an hour and a half, hour 45.
But I wouldn't know because I was sleeping and he actually clipped me.
Yeah.
But this thing was an absolute trooper today. Killed it. And we made it back in one piece. That is rare.
It is. I mean, it's always good, no problems. Like, everything is perfect except for the tires, so.
Facts.
That's how you know it's a good day.
That is how you know it's a good day. But we're going to end the video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.